Hello, my name is Samuel Gerard. I am with Affordable Tiny Homes, and you can look us up at abtinyhomes.net. But this is our second unit, and I'm very excited to show you what we got. When we had this thing inside yesterday, we pulled it out, and it was just so exciting to see what we got accomplished to pull this thing out. And this is a 35-footer deck over, 8 foot wide, and it's got white LP smart side board and batten. So we got out here. It's got it's got 20 vinyl windows in this thing. Got black metal roof. So I want to take you around and show you what we're going to be putting on here. On this end here, we're going to have a 9,000 BTU mini split. That's going to go on here. Then on this side is the back side where we're going to have the 50 amp hookup underneath there, and the water's going to be there. I got to finish hooking that up yet. We have the the exhaust fans from the bathroom there, and we have the plumbing vent there. And as we come around here, I'll take you inside and I'll show you what we'll have. But real quick, underneath here, we're going to have a water heater here. This is going to be an outside switch and receptacle. It's going to be a switch for a light. We're going to have a light up there. Rebecca, if you don't mind, back up and show them where the light's going to be. We're going to have a light on that end. Then we're going to have a light on the other end of the building as well. So we've got a black painted door, black roof, white siding, like I said. Come on in here, Rebecca. Come on in here, Deborah. We'll show and tell in here a little bit. If you don't mind, go back there and come this way. So here's the kitchen. We're going to have white cabinets coming this way. We're going to have a 4-foot island here with the granite over a foot so you can eat here. You're going to have your couch there. Then we're going to have a refrigerator here. And this is going to be a hallway coming down here with the full bath and bedroom here with the closet here. And there's going to have steps going up here with drawers in the steps. So if you don't mind, Rebecca, turn around and take a video a little bit of these windows here. So we got these windows here. There's 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, I don't know, 12, 13, 14 windows in the living room here. And so we're excited to show you what this is once it's done. Once we get the paint, we're going to paint the walls a gray color, have white cabinets, and then we're going to put more trim on, of course, and everything. We're not done yet with the inside. But we got LED lights. We got a fan that we're going to be having here in the center. We're going to have the mini split head unit right here. And we're going to have a cooktop, 2-burner cooktop. We're going to have a microwave underneath the countertop, kitchen sink, refrigerator. It's going to have everything to live in. So it's a exciting time here. This is the second unit that we got out. This thing here will retail for between 90 to 100,000. Once I know exactly how much we're going to have in it, then I will be able to say how much we're going to have, but it's going to be retail between 90 to 100,000, somewhere is where it's going to be at. So God bless. Happy Easter. Get a hold of us. We are on abtinyhomes.net.